I'm back.
Alrighty, what you cooking up, Mama Redbuck?
Oh, we're gonna try this sandwich today.
I wish I could help you with it, but my hand's full of this camera. So, what is that? A 10-pounder?
It's a chicken sandwich. It has chicken and basil, red pepper.
It's like a creamy chicken salad in there almost, huh?
Yes, and it has Parmesan cheese and it has mozzarella cheese.
Well, I tell you what, I need a long lens to capture all this here. But you made this, and you made us some bourbon brownies. I didn't video you making this because you had already started it.
Yes.
Gotten stuff ready before we got here.
It's really good. I think you'll enjoy it.
You said it's a sandwich. This isn't a sandwich. This looks more like a calzone.
It's a hot sub. How about that?
A calzone is a sandwich, isn't it?
A calzone is a calzone. It's like a pizza all rolled up.
Okay.
You look befuddled.
I think you can call it a sandwich.
Well, anyway, whatever it is, it looks delicious. I don't know if I would call it a sandwich. I would call it a...
What are you going to call it?
I'd call it a chicken thingamabob. I don't know if I'm strong enough.
They are bourbon brownies. It has bourbon and Crown Royal in them.
Oh, these are liquor brownies.
Lord.
Got a hard chocolate shell because I put always put a little bit of the wax on it to keep it, keep it hard, to keep it, where it,
Oh my God. What have you done?
Is that bigger than you wanted?
Oh, okay. It's got nuts in it too.
The white is,
Ooh, doggy, this has a very strong liquor taste.
it's got two cups of powdered sugar.
Yeah.
It's got a stick of butter, and it has 5 tablespoons of rum.
Oh my Lord.
I can taste the rum. You can't have this brownie and drive, huh?
Whatever. Hey, then maybe I'll win at rummy.
So,
Oh, why is that so funny?
You getting your second piece? I tell you what, Mama, this is rich, rich, rich.
I'm telling you.
I had 2 pieces, and that was one too many. I enjoyed the first piece, but the second piece, I think, is going to give me.
well, I ate all mine.
You did a good job.
So-
Well, thanks a
Telling you,
lot
it's
for
delicious. Thank you.
for delicious lunch, Mama.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad everybody enjoyed a little bit anyway. So,
Definitely.
But this was delicioso. So I'll put both of these recipes over at the link down below. And maybe one of these days we'll make them. Although I don't know. I don't know if I can make this one here.
oh, I think you can.
This is death by chocolate right here.
Yeah, the candle stuff that you make candles with, the golf wax. Actually, you buy it at the grocery store.
Yeah,
And
paraffin.
and you put a little bit in your chocolate, and it'll be good and firm where that, when it gets warm and stuff, it's not like melty and runny.
Yeah, but you have to not put a lot. In college, my roommate and I, we made a fondue. We had the heat up too high and we put in too much wax. We sat there for 20 minutes eating a bunch of junk. There were 4 of us. We were rolling on the floor as that wax hardened in our stomach. We were
Oh,
like,
my goodness.
oh.
Really?
We put too much. Oh, yeah.
Are you saying that this is mostly candle wax, Mama?
No, I'm not saying it's mostly I got 6 ounces of the chocolate, the little chocolate chips, and I got 4 tablespoons of butter. And I took just a little bit of the wax and just just took a knife and just shaved it and put some in there to harden it,
I never heard of eating no candle wax. What are you talking about?
It's not candle wax. It's purer than that. You buy it in the grocery store.
You buy it in the grocery
in
store.
drops.
in the Gulf wax, so the thing on the bacon aisle. I've never used that stuff. But how much liquor did you put in here?
I put 5 tablespoons. Well, no. Actually, the bourbon called for 6.
Oh, okay.
And I put 6 and a half.
Okay, well, we're going to have to mark the bottles on your liquor cabinet over there.
Well,
Keep a tab, because I think some of that liquor disappears in your coffee.
yes, it does.
Have you experimented with a lot of different rums?
I've tried the spice rum.
How many do you think you've tried and forgot about?
No, I haven't tried and forgot about any of them. I do have a bottle of Texas rum over there that I've never
I
opened.
saw that over there.
I've never opened.
Who
The
gave you
little-
that? Where'd you get that?
I got that at the liquor store.
Okay. As long as you didn't get it at the flea market, you're all right.
No, I didn't buy none of it at the flea
Never
market.
buy liquor at the flea market. You learned that lesson the hard way.
Me? I don't think
Why are
so.
you making stuff up?
Anyway, thanks for the dinner, Mimo. I'll see you next week.
And
Okay.
dessert.
Alrighty.
Mmm.
Use 3 eggs and use a third of a cup of vegetable shortening. And you omit the water. You don't put any water. And you just use the eggs and you use 1 stick of butter.